it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby now.
Hey guys, Kat K here in our video, and today I'm here with my friends
Molly
and
Isabel.
And we're going to be showing you our slimes. They're going to show you slimes first, so I'm going to take my slime out of the way. So, who wants to go first?
I'll go first. And I'm Molly. So, Kelly made this slime.
Yeah.
And, yeah, I put it right here. And if we put some foam soap, it just makes it really sticky, which I really like.
Okay, and so, yeah it's Isabel.
And now I'm going to show you my other slime.
You can do that. It's Isabel. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's her other slime.
So, it just says a different name for some reason. And, I'm not going to take it out of the bag.
Yeah. Okay, and yeah, so
Because
Isabel.
It's a little...
Isabel?
Hi guys,
Tasty.
my slime is not like sticky and it's not like very stretchy.
Yeah.
But we share slime, so each time we come here, we can like
Play with slimes.
our own slimes if we want.
Okay, so Isabel, now it's my turn. So I made this slime and I dyed it with markers, and it used to be called unicorn slime, but I dyed it, and it's this blue clicky slime that I really love. Me and Molly used it. Me and Molly.
Oh, I thought it got on the camera. I'm like,
Okay, yeah, me and Molly used it, and the contact solution takes forever.
I need to show you mine.
Just cover the names, because it's random. It's a random.
I made it cotton candy, sorry. It's the legends pack. Here, I'll show you second, after Callie's done.
And Isabel? Isabel? And
Mine is called like I try to make it like a little brown, but it didn't be brown, so I called it little gray baby unicorn, since babies are they are gray sometimes.
Oh, sorry.
and I called mine blueberry slime since it's blue.
Yeah, and now it's my turn. And yes, I'm a Molly again. And it's very nice. Oh, sorry. I was just talking to my bigger brother. So I mixed 5
Different markers.
5 different markers. Yes, thank you, Callie.
Is it
5
too long?
different
Markers.
markers.
Do this.
And now it's like a grayish purplish. And
Yeah.
it feels really,
We really
nice.
like this. So we're gonna take
Let me
this out of the
show
way.
you it on the mat.
Just do some little samples, and then it's gonna take forever to get it back in the bag.
Can I say one more
Yeah,
thing?
too.
And it's a little sample that we made. And yeah, now we're gonna show you. Now, Isabel's gonna show hers that's in a ball, because hers can roll in the balls and our can't.
Oh, and we're all afters. So.
No, we're not.
Well, no,
Sometimes
yeah.
I've been in the ball.
Callie used to be an actor, but like.
And we
she
all
thought
are
it was kinda
friends,
getting
but
boring.
And they switched to
Our
artists.
dog is kind of
Yeah.
crazy.
Now she's an
Yeah.
artist.
And so, yeah.
He plays bites.
Okay.
Okay, and yeah, that's our slimes, and we'll be right back in a second, and we'll just talk to you guys. Guys, so now we're going to show you bloopers that happened in the video. Hope you enjoy.
Hi. This
This is her slime,
Yes, this is my slime. It's Molly.
and it's called...
It's called it's not funny, you guys. That's mean.
You meant... Sorry, no, this is my slime, and it's called Blue...
And her name's
Blue...
Callie.
Yeah, Blue... Blue... Blue pool. Blue pool. It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny.
This is my slime, and it's called I think I know what it is, but I forgot. Okay, what is it called? What is it called? Stop it! It's not actually funny. It's not funny. It's not funny.
Is it great? Hey guys, Kat's Kay here in their video, and today we're doing a Slimer pool video. A Slimer video. I made a slime video. I love slime. I made a slime video.
We'll get back to
I
you.
like the bloopers.
Yeah.
And please like, subscribe, and share, and comment.
Yeah.
And comment down below more ideas for videos. Bye. Bye.
Make sure to do the bell right next to the subscribe button.
Bye.
Below.
And
Bye.
if you want to see all our slimes,
Bye. We gotta go. Bye.